Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your XDC tokens from Uphold to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, keeping your assets secure is more important than ever. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with your XDC tokens, a Ledger Nano X device, and the latest Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Oh, and don't forget to update your Ledger's firmware. It's a quick step that keeps things running smoothly. Step 1. Open your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your computer via USB. On your device, navigate to the XDC app and open it. This ensures your Ledger is ready to receive the tokens. Next, log into your Uphold account on your web browser. Find your XDC wallet in the dashboard. It's usually under your asset list. Now, for the main action, click on Withdraw or Send next to your XDC balance. You'll need to enter the receiving address from your Ledger. To get that, go back to Ledger Live on your computer, select the XDC account, and copy the wallet address displayed. Paste it into Uphold's withdrawal form, and double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Typos here could mean lost funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits Uphold might have. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Once you do, Uphold will process the transaction, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. After that, head back to Ledger Live and refresh your XDC account. You should see your tokens appear shortly. Congrats! You've just secured your XDC on a hardware wallet. Remember, always keep your Ledger disconnected when not in use and store your recovery phrase safely. There you have it, folks. Transferring XDC from Uphold to Ledger Nano X is straightforward once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or Uphold support pages. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and let us know in the comments what other crypto tutorials you'd like to see. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.